Good morning, cadets. Today I'll be taking up the chapter The Fun They Had. Author is Isaac Asimov. His occupation is writing. He was born on 2nd January 1920 and passed away on 6th April 1992. He got education from Columbia University, Boston University of Medicine. His birthplace is Petrovich in Russia and death took place in New York. The story, The Fun They Had, is very interesting. It shows how the world would be in 2157. So you should understand the author is trying to take you to the year 2157 when everybody owns a machine teacher. Robo will be the teacher, no human teachers. Isaac Asimov's representation of a non-desirable school of the future gives you food for thought. How school should be, how much computers determine our lives. So in my opinion, it's an excellent story. So it talks about 2157 where there will be no human teachers, only machine teachers. Let's talk about the story. In the year 2157, the 13-year-old Tommy will find an old book. A boy called Tommy, he'll find an old book. He and Margie both are 11 years old and they are living in 2157. So they find it very strange that words appearing on paper, they are not moving after being read because they are used to the machines. Nowadays they only read stories on computer screen. The book is about school centuries ago. So Margie and Tommy are surprised to see the actual book. They are browsing the computer screen and they are doing everything on machines. Margie is very surprised that in the past students had a person as a teacher and that all children of the same age learnt the same thing and went to the school house with other children. So they are both very surprised that there was a school building and many children of the same age are sitting on bench and desk and studying together. A human teacher is coming. They are not having anything like that. They are just sitting in the home. A robo will come and he will speak whatever has been filled in his slot. So they are very surprised. A human teacher teaching many students in a place called school. Margie wants to read more of the book, but first she has to learn with her machine teacher whose level is advanced for her. She thinks school in those days was much better than today. So Margie is liking the school. She does not like her machine teacher. School in the future was not actually any school. Only robots were there and they were teaching whatever was added to their slot. School nowadays is very good and pupils have much fun. So you people are having lot of fun. You have playgrounds to play, you have different classes, you have different subjects, you have different teacher teaching different subject. For example, in line number 18, Margie says, I hate school. In the last two lines, there is Margie was thinking about how kids must have loved it in the old days. I think the school nowadays is better than in the story. In the future, the school is described by Asimov as a social aspect is lost. So the robo will not have any emotions, love, care, anything for the child. But a human teacher knows the child, he will love the child, he will scold the child, he will tell what is right, what is wrong. So there is a big difference. There are no forms anymore. Everybody sits in front of the computer and the pupils cannot learn together. Every child learns different things. But the school today is not as good and funny as Margie thinks. Almost nobody today would say what are the problems. So the future school has many problems. So what is the difference between the present and the future school? In the present school, the real book is there, printed paper, yellow and wrinkly. But in the future school, it will be e-book, telebook. Present school, teacher will be there, communications will be there, emotions will be there. Future school, robots and mechanical teacher will be there. Present school, teacher will be teaching in a building. There will be many students who will be taught the same thing. Future school, it will be in their house. You need not leave your house. Each kid will be taught differently and the classes will always be there in the house only. Homework in the present school is exam, test, essay writing, paper writing. In future, what will happen? They will write out in a computer by pressing the keys and put them in the slot. You can see the slides on the present school. How much interaction, communication, fun the present school or the old school is having. Now have a look at the future school. Whole day the child has to sit before the computer or the robo and listen to the classes alone. No fun, no exchange, no interaction. So teachers versus the future teachers, the present teacher, human teacher using blackboard, globe, chalkboard, many other teaching aids. The robo just simply comes and delivers lectures. Homework also is given like this. Today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So this is the way homework will be given in the future. Main characters are Margie. She is a girl of 11 years who wishes to be the part of the past school, that is the schools which you are studying presently. Tommy, he is a boy of 13 who lives close to Margie's house. Margie's mother is there. She is a very disciplined lady who is very careful about Margie's studies. Then there is an inspector. He comes to repair the mechanical teacher of Margie. So the story is set in future where children don't have a traditional books and schools. Margie makes a diary entry. The date is 21st May 2157. The book is very old, just like the one that her grandfather had in his time as a student. The pages were yellow and they were not moving. What are their feelings when they found the old book? Tom says that it is a waste simply because after one time reading, it could be thrown away. Margie also has the same feeling. Tommy then found a book in the Arctic. That book was about the school. So Margie did not like her school and mechanical teacher. Her teacher was not a living being, he was a robo. He gave her test after test in geography. She was not doing well. Her failure in geography had invited an inspector who tried to trace her out problem. Margie's mother then went to the county inspector to come and solve the problem. So this is also a problem. A human teacher will understand her child and she will lower her or he will lower his standard. This child needs little simple English and simple teaching method. So the human teacher will adjust, but robo will teach what type of things have been inserted in his machine. He will not look at the child's level standard. Whatever is there in his slot, he will teach that only. And Margie had a problem. Margie was in low class and the geography robo was high standard. Then they went to the county inspector, solved the problem and lowered the standard. So this is the very big problem. Old kind of school. On reading that book, Tommy had discussion about the school with Margie. Old kinds of schools were a building common to all with human teachers. He gave them tests as well as homework. Margie wanted to know more about those kinds of school. It was unique time for Tommy too for school and both decided to read the book later. So now their robos have come. They have to go to their class and read. Margie was sitting in front of a mechanical teacher, but she had common time and place to study. She was thinking about the good old days when kids have common time, common school to play. She was thinking of school, the school teacher that used to teach them. So Margie was very attracted to the old school, all teachers coming and teaching different subject, only human teachers, no robos, and many children studying in the classroom and having fun. She used to think the textbook is ready. The schools of future, virtual classroom, learning through computers, robotic teacher, moving e-text. So all this is the picture of schools of future. So the lesson begins. Margie, she has found a real book and both of them are very surprised and oh, real book. It is like our grandfather's book when he was a little boy. Both the children are very, very excited. So they are surprised that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper, because they were reading on e-textbooks or computer screen. They turned the pages because it was very old, so it was yellow and crinkly, and they were finding it very, very surprising to see the real book. So they are having a lot of fun. What a waste! We are going through this book, but our television screen is having millions of books. Now Margi is very scornful, means she's thinking our classroom is useless. Daily they have to go to another room, Robo will come and teach them. So she was finding it very boring. And school she hated. Actually, there was no school. She was learning in her home. The mechanical teacher will come, give test after test in geography, and she will do words. All these things were happening. So this is a story set in futuristic scenario in 2157. In this phase of human development, every activity of education becomes dependent on electronic media. There were telebooks in which words used to move across the screen. The teachers were robots, that is machines, and the school, which was opposite to their next or to their room only, they have to go to the study room, where the student would sit with the mechanical teacher reading the instruction on the screen and giving answers. There is no fun, nothing was there. It's a very boring process, and there was no interaction between the teacher and the student. So one day Margi, a 11-year-old girl, made an entry in her diary. Today Tommy found a real book. Never seen a real book. They had only heard from their grandfather about these type of books. They were very excited to find the book because it was a new discovery for them. The book was on school, and they did not know actually that there was a building, all children will come together and study. In the olden times it was like that. They could not believe it in 2157. From the book they learned a lot of things, that there was a separate building for school where children used to go. The classroom contained a number of students who were taught by a human teacher. Since all learned the same things, they could easily help each other. So sharing, caring, having fun, everything was possible because they were learning in the same class, from the same teacher. Since all learned the same things, they could help each other and could also easily interact with the human teacher. Margi used to dream a lot of kids going to school together, laughing, playing, helping. So now you understood why the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. It is not only academics that happens in the real school. Lot of friendship, lot of interaction, caring, sharing. You know many type of people from different culture, language. So much exchange is there. Apart from the books, we learn many things. Margi realized that, and now she is hating her present school. This appeared more interesting than sitting in a room alone in front of a computerized robot and reading instructions on the screen without being able to ask any question. Margi cannot ask any question to a robot. If she has a doubt, she has to insert it in the slot, then the system will take it and then her problem will be solved. But in real school, the teacher will instantly solve the problem. So Margie was hating her school. After reading about the old school, Margie started to hate her school more. The mechanical teacher also she was hating. And her geography robo was of high standard. Margie was scoring very low in geography because the geography teacher's level was high than Margie's level of understanding. So her mother approached a county inspector, and he was a round little man with a red face and whole box of tools with dials and wires. He came, he smiled at Margie, gave her an apple, then took the teacher, that is the robo, and then made the level to Margie's level. That was what the county teacher did. And Margie always had to write the homework and then put it in the slot, and the mechanical teacher will calculate her marks, and all these things was happening. So see how in the picture, they had a teacher. It was a man. Margie was thinking that a human teacher is better than a mechanical teacher. So Margie is telling, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man. How could a man be a teacher? He just told the boys and girls things and gave homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. So they cannot imagine that a human being will know many things about the subject, because they were using a robo, a mechanical teacher. So it was a surprise that a human teacher knew many things. So there is an argument. So Margie was not prepared for a dispute. And then they come to know there was a different building also. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. All the kids learned the same thing. So this is how Margie starts to hate her school. And how was Margie's school? Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on waiting for her. It was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So see Margie's classroom. The picture shows how Margie is sitting alone in a virtual classroom. And the instruction will come, please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So Margie was finding all this very boring, and she will put it and the teacher will correct it instantly. But now after reading that old book, Margie was thinking only about how the kids must have loved it in the old days, and she was thinking about the fun they had. So the writer Asimov, he has a very beautiful concept. He is talking about the futuristic school where there will be only robots, no human teachers. That is how he is trying to take us to 2157, wherein all the teachers will be mechanical. Thank you. Have a nice day.